Hi there, just out having a quick wander around St Aidan's. I think it must be officially the first day of autumn because it's cold. I've even got the gloves out with me. It's bright, it's sunny. I don't expect to see much, but let's see what we can see. Who knows, we might find a spoonbill. That would be awesome. Like I say, it's a bit bright, a bit quiet. I think everything's gone off to Africa for the winter, but it's still beautiful. Please give me a like, please subscribe. It really helps the channel if you do that, and I would be your best friend forever. I hope you've had a look at my first part of my Canada trip. Some gorgeous animals at the end of it. I really fell in love with chipmunks while I was away. They are so photogenic and quite often obliging with the poses. I just think they're beautiful. You probably think they're vermin in Canada, but I just thought they were great, and I hope that you did too. Barrows Lake there, they quite often do a bit of open water swimming and that. Starting to get a little bit of an autumnal colour on the trees. We're like 10th, 11th of October and they're starting to go a bit yellow. It is, as expected, a bit lacking in birds. There's the usual abundance of American coots, a nice grey heron, a big gull looking thing, and it's bright. But it's still gorgeous, with the ever-present dragline on the horizon. A throwback to an industrial age back in the 60s, 70s, 80s, where places like this didn't exist, and it was all about getting that black gold out of the ground. But fortunately now it's totally different. We're more into nature. We see that nature's important, and we should keep it that way. I don't know, it feels like every time we've been here this year there's less birds than there was last year. Maybe I've just come on bad days. Maybe it's already the start of the downfall that people are warning about in bird population. They're saying that over the next few years it could seriously drop by unprecedented levels, especially stuff like puffins. That could be a 90% drop in population off the east coast, at least, of the UK. Places like Bempton Cliffs, Farne Islands could be bereft of puffins, and it really is sad that we've brought the world to this point. Hopefully I'm just being unusually down today and that birds are fine. Oh, there you go, as I speak there is a bird sound. I mean, it's beautiful. I'm having a beautiful time. I wish everyone could access this sort of experience, wandering around the water and the grass and the birds and the animals. Fortunately, RSPB sites are quite mobility friendly. There's great tracks, there's access to it, there's usually a reasonable amount of parking. What else could you ask for? Get yourself out, even with your mobile, and take some pictures. Only got about an hour today to have a wander around, so I've not gone too far. So round the corner there may be loads of birds. But if you like bears and you love chipmunks, have a look at this. I think overall the message is don't take things for granted. Don't take animals for granted. Don't take birds for granted. Because if we don't do something about it soon, they might not be here. They might not be here for future generations to enjoy. And that's what we want, isn't it? Future generations enjoying the scenery, the birds, the wildlife, whatever it is. Let's just make more of an effort to look after it. Please. Anyway, I'm already starting to plan trips for next year. I'm hoping to get out and about a bit more, different areas. Thinking about going to Farne, Isle of Mull, hopefully, maybe even back to Canada and doing the Great Bear Islands and areas in British Columbia. I would love to do that, and I think I can just about manage that. I have to have a word with the missus, but hopefully it's on. And also, talking about bears, I'd love to go to Slovenia and film the bears that are in Slovenia from those hides that you see on YouTube. I think that would be awesome. So stick with me. If you've never been on the channel before, subscribe and you won't miss a thing.